Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all doing? Hope you must be doing well.
Yes.
My dear student, as you all know that due to coronavirus pandemic, your school is temporarily discontinued. This is why mostly video and online classes are going on across the world. I am sure that the world will defeat this virus and everything will be back to normal soon. However, we must obey the guidelines like social distancing, using face mask, washing our hands for 20 seconds with soap as advised by doctors. Now, welcome to your English class. Okay, look at the pictures shown on the screen. Okay, what are these? Yes, kites. You all are right. Have you ever flown kites? Yes or no? Yes. It's really wonderful. Now, let us start the poem Kite. I am sure you must, and first of all, let me read the poem. You all have to listen as well as mention the text in your book carefully. Now, open your book, start the poem. A kite on the ground is just paper and a string, but up in the air it will dance and sing. A kite in the air will dance and caper, but back on the ground it is just string and paper. Again I read the poem. A kite on the ground is just paper and a string, but up in the air it will dance and sing. A kite in the air will dance and caper, but back on the ground it is just string and a paper. In our next class we will discuss the poem. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye bye.